In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print in Microsoft Excel. We'll go through the full printing process from opening your file to sending it to the printer, and I'll explain what each option means so it's easier to choose the right settings for your worksheet. To begin, open the Excel file you want to print. Make sure you're in the workbook that contains the sheet or data you need. This is a good starting point because printing in Excel can vary depending on whether you want just one sheet or the entire workbook. Next, go to the Print menu. To do that, click the File tab in Excel. This opens the main file options where you can manage things like saving, sharing, and printing. From there, select Print. Once you click it, Excel will take you to the print area where you can review your printer, settings, and preview all in one place. Now, choose a printer. Look for the printer. Drop down list and select the printer you want to use. If you have more than one printer connected, this step is important so your document goes to the correct device. Be sure the selected printer is available and ready. After that, adjust your print settings. This is where you can control exactly how your spreadsheet will print. You can choose the number of copies if you need more than one. You can also decide whether to print only the active sheet, which is the worksheet currently open, or print the entire workbook if you need every worksheet included. You'll also see layout options. Orientation lets you choose between portrait and landscape. Portrait works well for taller, narrower sheets, while landscape is usually better for wide tables with many columns. Paper size lets you choose the correct format, such as A4 or letter, depending on your region or printer setup. Next, check the margins. You can choose normal, wide, or narrow margins depending on how much white space you want around the page. Then review the scaling options. This is especially useful in Excel because large spreadsheets often don't fit neatly on one page. Scaling can help fit all columns or even the entire sheet onto a page when needed. Before printing, take a close look at the print preview on the right side. This helps you confirm that the content is aligned properly, nothing is cut off, and the pages look the way you expect. Once everything looks correct, click the print button to start printing. And that's it. You've successfully printed an Excel file.